I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Katie.
And we talk hair. So we are thrilled to have joining us today for some amazing topics and answers and to pick his brain. This is Dr. Richard Giannato.
How are you, everybody?
Clap.
Woohoo!
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we want to talk to you about a couple things. The first one is designing the hairline. So lots of talk about it. You know, what's the ideal location? How high? Do you do recessions? Do you not do recessions? What do you think makes sense?
If we were going to fix this,
Fix it. First of all, when you talk a hairline, you're talking framing the face.
Right.
All right. You want to create a picture frame for the face. So there was a guy a long time ago in the Renaissance. His name was Michelangelo, probably the world's greatest sculptor. He was Italian too, and and he used to steal cadavers and dissect them and make all these measurements and anatomical observation. And the rule of Michelangelo stems back from him, where he decided that the proper distance on the forehead for a hairline was 4 finger breadths above the raised eyebrows. So if you have somebody raise your eyebrows, and I go 4 finger breadths above, that's about where your hairline should be, all right? That's also the same distance if you measure the distance between the tip of your nose and your chin. That should be equidistant here to here, and that's the rule of thirds. That's where your hairline should be. You're very good.
Oh, okay. Is that where forehead came from?
So to get past all of that, basically, from the bridge of the nose, you measure about 7 to 7.5 centimeters, and that's where your hairline should be. That's where you start. That's the starting off point. There are many people who come to me who want to lower their hairlines. That's really not something in the realm of hair restoration surgery. What we like to do is embellish a hairline or thicken a hairline, but we don't like to put hair where there was never hair in the first place because it's not going to match up correctly. There are certain exceptions, however, in certain women patients that I've had where it's turned out beautifully, but these are the exceptions rather than the rule.
I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Katie.
And we talk hair.